Today on How To Blinds, we're going to show you how to install your manual and motorised vision blind. First, we'll mark out our drill holes to fit the brackets. Each bracket drill hole position must be at least 75mm from both sides of the recess. Now we can drill our holes using a 6mm drill bit and insert our plugs. Screw in your brackets ensuring the tab is between the blind and the window frame. We'll just show you a reference as to where the bracket clips onto the grooves on the cassette. So we'll clip our cassette into the brackets. To ensure the vision blind is child safe, we'll install a cord tidy to the recess via the screw holes, which when assembled looks like this. First, wrap the cord onto the cylindrical centre and then clip on the base. Using the centre hole, drill the screw in to create a guide. Now we can remove this screw and unclip the cord tidy. Using the screw hole guide we've just done, we'll attach the base to the wall using the left hand screw hole. And we'll clip the face of the cord tidy back on and screw in to secure the chain. Finally, pop in the end cap. The vision blind is now child safe, and we can check the operation. We can now move on to the motorised vision blind. Clip your cassette into the brackets in the recess, the same way as the previous. The limits in the vision blind should already be set, so when you click down on your new remote, the blind will go down to its lower limits, and vice versa with your upper limit. There is a second limit at the bottom for extra privacy and light control. That's how to install your manual and motorised vision blind. Click the annotation on screen now to learn how to set intermediate limits and for more motorised tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.